Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Blanca. Thanks for stopping by and taking some time out of your day to watch my video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my September favorites. First of all, I can't believe September is gone. It lasted for like 10 seconds. I feel like Christmas is right around the corner. I feel like the time is just going by super duper quick. So you guys may notice, if you have been a viewer of mine for quite some time, that my background is different. So I am in the middle of redoing my beauty room slash like studio room where I film my videos, but it's not completely done yet, so I don't want to show it until it's done. So it may take a couple of weeks because I did order a couple of things from IKEA, and so I'm just waiting for that to come in. And then, you know, you got to put the IKEA furniture together. So it's kind of a process. I'm going to say by November 1st, this room will be completed, hopefully, and I will show you guys what it looks like once it's completed. So that's it. This video is going to be super long, so I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to get into my favorites for this month. So if you guys want to see what I've been loving for the month of September, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. It would really mean a lot to me. I think I'm going to do a giveaway. When I hit 20,000, I'm going to do a giveaway. Okay, I'm going to stop talking. Let's get right into this video. So I have a lot of stuff to show you guys. So I think I'm going to start with hair first. Okay, I always get a lot of questions about the products that I use in my hair, and I do have a video specifically all about my hair, so I'll link it up here if you guys want to see that after this video, of course. Okay, so one of the products that I've been using quite often is this dry shampoo by Marc Anthony. It's the Refreshing Coconut Clear Dry Conditioner. Oh, I didn't realize it said conditioner, but it acts like a dry shampoo, but it doesn't leave that white residue, which I love. I have dark hair, so whenever I buy dry shampoo, I usually have that white residue in my hair, and like I have to keep, you know, going like, and sometimes it doesn't come out, or sometimes it's like I'm in a rush, you know, and I feel like that's the point of dry shampoo. You're in a rush, you don't have time to wash your hair, and then I'm just sitting there going like this, and the white stuff isn't coming out, and then it looks like I have dandruff, or it looks like I have gray hair, so I don't like that. This does not do that, and what I love about this as well is that it just makes your hair look clean, but also it adds like volume, it adds texture, it just leaves a nice finish in your hair. Definitely recommend this. I've been loving this so much. I've been using it all the time when I see that my hair is getting oily and I don't want to wash it, or I just need that extra like oomph to my hair. I just add this to my roots, and yeah, I like this stuff. Another hair product that I love is the Schwarzkopf Gliss Hair Repair with liquid keratin Ultra Moisture Express Repair. This is a leave-in hydration and repair conditioner. It hydrates, it repairs. It's for dry, stressed hair. You guys, this is amazing. You shake it up, and then you just spray it in your hair when your hair is damp, like when you've just got out of the shower, you know, it's towel dried. Just spray this into your hair. It will leave your hair so smooth. There will be no frizz in your hair. Like, I just used it today, and my hair is just super smooth and silky feeling. My hair is, like if I were to let my hair dry naturally without blow drying it, it's kind of like frizzy slash wavy. Some parts are straight, some parts are wavy. It's just weird. I need to either flat iron it, or I need to do something with it. I mean, I could just leave it, but it just ends up looking frizzy if I don't do anything to it. So this has been amazing for me. I've been using it all the time. I stocked up. I have 2 more bottles of this because it just leaves your hair silky smooth. It takes the frizz away. So if you have trouble with frizz, try this. It's really good. It's amazing. And it just does wonders to your hair. Okay, on to face products. So I've been loving the Matcha Mud Mask Deep Skin Cleanser. This is an anti-acne, pore reducer, oil control, anti-aging facial mask. It's 100% natural. It has no parabens and it's sulfate free. So it says, this mud mask penetrates deep into the skin surface to visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin moisturized and healthy. Let the formula minimize your pore size, remove toxins, and rejuvenate. Let the formula minimize your pore size, remove toxins, and rejuvenate cells while supplying your skin with a variety of mineral elements, vitamins, and antioxidants. It says apply generously onto clean face, avoiding the eye and lip area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with warm water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for best results. So I use this about twice a week. I love this stuff. It's really good. I apply it with a brush and it's super green. See? I noticed that when I do use this, my pores look smaller and my skin just feels very soft like a baby's butt. And I really like this. It's good. It's a little bit pricey, but definitely worth it. And I've had it for quite some time. I've been using it, like I said, twice a week, and I have noticed a difference on my skin, especially, you know, the next day when I'm going to apply my makeup. My face just feels really soft and hydrated. You can get this at thematchareserve.com. I will have it linked down below. I'll have everything linked down below if you are interested in any of these items that I am talking about in this video. I've also been loving the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is a mask for your lips. This is really good. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing, and it does wonders for your lips. I use liquid lipstick pretty much every single day, so my lips can get dehydrated, they can get dry, cracked. So I love to put this on right before I go to bed. I keep this right on my nightstand so that I don't forget. I've been using it every single night and it's just amazing. I've had it for quite some time. It has gone down a little bit. The next morning your lips are plump, they're moisturized, and they just feel silky smooth, and it gets rid of the dry skin, and they are just prepped and ready for lipstick, especially liquid lipstick. I just love this so much and definitely recommend this lip mask if you are looking for something that's going to just nourish your lips and plump them up. You can get it at Sephora. It's about $25, I think, and it just does amazing things for your lips. Onto makeup, sticking with lips. I have been loving the Maybelline lipstick. I've had this in my collection for a while. I completely forgot I had it. I found it. I started using it recently and I am loving it. I'm wearing it right now on my lips. This is in the shade Hot Sand 530. It's a matte shade and this is what it looks like. It's very pale, but it looks beautiful on top of any lipstick, or if you just line your lips and you apply it in the center, which is what I did today. It just gives you that nice nude lip in the middle, and I feel like it makes your lips kind of plump up. I love this. I got it because Nicole Guerrero always uses it, and I just love the way her lips always look. So yeah, I want to buy some more, but it's sold out online and it was sold out when I went to Walmart. My favorite highlighter for the month of September, I'm wearing it right now, is this one by Wet n Wild. This is the Golden Flower Crown. Another makeup brand from the drugstore that I love is Wet n Wild. So it just looks like this beautiful rose gold, yellowy kind of highlights. Look at this. It's so beautiful. It isn't powdery, it doesn't emphasize texture, and I believe it's only, I don't know if you guys can see that. I believe it's like $5, probably less. I love Wet n Wild, I love their highlighters, I love their foundation, I love their eyeshadow palettes. Very good brand, very affordable, and if you are looking for a highlight that's going to be not too crazy, or it's not going to emphasize your texture, you just want a little bit of highlight on your face. I have a hair here. And as you can see, it just adds a little pop of highlight, not too exaggerated, and been loving this, been using it every single day because it's just amazing. So this powder is from Sephora, the brand Sephora, and this is the Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact Powder. I got the shade medium beige, yes. So I got it after Juicy Jazz mentioned it in one of her videos, and when she applied it on her face looked flawless. I mean, her face already does look flawless, but it looked even flawlessler, if that is a word. So sometimes my face, after having my makeup on for hours, sometimes my face can look a little bit oily, a little bit dewy. Sometimes I'm feeling it, sometimes I'm not. So when I'm not feeling the dewiness, I grab a big powder brush and I just lightly go over the spots, basically in my T-zone where I'm a little bit oily, and this just freshens up your makeup. Your makeup looks beautiful. It doesn't make your face look cakey. I love this. It makes your skin look flawless. And yeah, because you know, sometimes when your face is oily, like you don't want to go back in with foundation because then your foundation's going to look cakey. So I definitely recommend this if you do find that you do get a little bit oily throughout the day. Just pop this in your makeup bag, take a big fluffy brush with you, and just lightly tap it on your oily spots, and your face will look flawless. It'll look like you just did your makeup again. Like it looks really good, and it does not leave your face looking cakey. Okay, very good. Definitely recommend this. Again, this is the Sephora Micro Smooth Baked Face Compact in the shade medium beige. Last but not least, my favorite makeup palettes that I've been using quite often is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This was gifted to me by my brother and his girlfriend. This palette, you guys, is absolutely beautiful. I love all the shades in here. I haven't played with all of them, but yeah, the shades are beautiful, very pigmented, stunning. Definitely recommend this palette if you are thinking about getting this one. It's very good. All the colors just blend really nicely. Again, this is the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. If you've been eyeing it and you're on the fence about it, get it. It's really good. All right, so this concludes my September favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a beauty room video. I promise I will show you guys once it's completed. And yeah, happy October. Hope you guys have a great month. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.